Okay, so we just finished reading a very helpful resource. So now let's go back and look for the opinions throughout the text. So the very first sentence right here is an opinion because the author says that it's a really great resource, but that's not quite a fact. So let's look for some more opinions. Here is another one. The author also states that the gas company is great and that natural gas is one of the best resources we have. It is a great resource. It is the best resource we have. And then in the last paragraph, the author says, people need it. It is a wonderful way to help people get energy. It is a great resource. So now let's look at our bubble map and see how we can present the information here. So in the middle, I'm going to answer that question that I asked before we started reading the passage. So what is the author trying to convince us of? What are they trying to say? So the author uses opinions to argue that natural gas is the best resource we have for getting energy. So now in the surrounding bubbles, let's put our opinions here. So the author says natural gas is a great resource. The author also says that gas companies are great and keep us safe. The author says that natural gas is the best resource we have. And let's go back to the text to see what other opinions are over here. The author also says that people need natural gas. So now we completed our bubble map. We have our claim in the middle and then our opinions surrounding it. So now it's going to be your turn. First, you're going to go to the folder titled Texts Group 2, and you're going to choose a passage that sounds interesting. Next, you're going to read the passage while thinking about the author's argument. You can refer back to the questions that we talked about earlier. Next, you're going to annotate the opinions in the passage however you want. So you can underline it, you can box it, you can circle it, do whatever you'd like, but just make sure that the opinions are noted in the passage. Lastly, you're going to dissect your passage using a graphic organizer that you like best. You can use the bubble map that I used over here, or you can use the tree map. That is another option in that folder.